Hey guys, Gareth here from the Speaker Box Company, and we've been making speakers for the last 25 years, and we have had a lot of challenges when it comes to raw materials and parts and so forth. The African industry is very, very popular when it comes to DIY, but trying to provide solutions for this industry has been an absolute nightmare. So we've needed a lot of equipment over the years, and it's been kind of hard to find the right type of product for us, particularly on things like CNCs. There's a lot of CNCs out in the market. We've been using some good equipment, but it's never quite been the most efficient CNC routers. It doesn't cut. We've had problems with services, and we've jumped across to the new ATC router from AM.CO, and this has actually revolutionized our process. Not only has this really solved a big time problem, we've literally doubled our capacity on a daily basis, but it's doing so with very, very high precision and repeatability. When you are in woodwork like we are, making speaker boxes or anything really like furniture, it's one thing for a machine to cut, but can we cut it timelessly, effectively, and get the precision and repeatability out of the product? This has been the lifesaver for us as a business. It's got a 9 kilowatt unit. It's just changed the way that we look and think about making products. And in all honesty, we've actually stepped things up a couple of notches. We believe that we're producing stuff to an international standard, and those international customers have actually been calling on us to make stuff for them in Africa. For us as a small business, especially in this field, it's a very, very small field, it's literally revolutionized and changed how we are making products. And it's been an absolute dream come true. But we've always had one problem. That is doing things like grills. Not only for our own products, but even for the DIY market, we have not been able to produce these specifically ourselves in-house. Yes, we can do the designs and the R&D and development on the grills, but this has been a really hard to source product, and for the guys that we have been dealing with, it's expensive. It's really, really expensive to try and do this locally. So we've had to make a couple of big decisions and start to have a look at a machine like this AM fiber laser. So a machine like this, we really anticipated that we're going to have a really, really long learning curve. But in all honesty, we've been doing a bit of testing. The guys have literally, with no experience, have been going in and trying to do some cutting, learning how to do some array processing. And I think for the most part, considering that they are unskilled, never really done drawings before, they've been able to pick up and start to cut on this machine relatively quickly. So I put the guys up to the task of trying to be as creative as possible. I don't care how they do it because they had no experience, but could they generate something unique that I could be proud of? Let's go and see what these guys can get up to. So there you go, guys. I cannot believe without any form of formal training, the guy has managed to produce something like this. I am so excited. I can't believe that we've been able to kickstart the ball rolling as simple as we have. So in all honesty, good job to the team, because this far exceeds my expectations. And I'm so excited to see what lays ahead of us, because this is a game changer for us to be able to cut and produce our own grills on demand. Best of all, it happens so quickly. This is beyond our expectations in terms of production capacity, and I can't wait to see what the future holds, because I don't think we're going to stop just at grills. This is going to open opportunity.
AI may eventually take over, but what's for certain is that smart machines are already operating all over the world right now. So stay ahead with AM.CO.za. For 11 years, they've been the leader in CNC and printing machines like CNC routers, large format printers, vinyl cutters, laser cutters, plasma cutters, DTF printers, and many more. Visit AM.CO.za showrooms in Sunny Rock, Joburg, and Montague Gardens, Cape Town, or WhatsApp hi to 060 600 6000 for more info. AM.CO.za, achievement matters.